Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun, and welcome to Rajshri Food. Well, I am back into the studio, but unfortunately, my crew could not join me. So I thought I'll shoot this all by myself, exactly the way I've been shooting for over a year now. Now, coming to the recipe, trust me, it's simple yet soulful. This is from God's own country, Moru Curry. Let's begin. Now, beginning with the recipe, a Moru curry is basically a curd and coconut based curry. I'm dividing this recipe into three components. The first one, of course, is the curd, turmeric and water mix, which of course I'll show you how it's made. The second component is making a coconut paste, spicy coconut paste. And the third component is making the tempering. Let's begin with the curd mix, for which of course the first ingredient is curd. To this I'm going to add in turmeric. Along with this, water. Whisk this well till it's absolutely lump-free. So last evening, while I was shopping for today's ingredients, a young food nerd stopped me and asked me how I've been shooting for almost over a year from home. Well, today I'm going to give you the answer for that. I am thinking, why just be your chef today? Also be your tech advisor. And while all this is getting answered, let's move on to the next step, which is making the coconut mix. Let's continue. For which the first ingredient, of course, is coconut. To this I'm going to add in green chilies and finally cumin seeds, which are untoasted. Let's add in just a touch of water and blend this into a smooth paste. Our coconut paste is done and ready. Let's have a quick check. The first question that the boy in the market actually asked me was, what makes a good food vlog? Now, this may sound like a very simple question, but trust me, it's very, very important. Now, a food vlog or any content for that matter is divided into two components. The first one is the visual part of it, and the second one is the audio. Now, unfortunately, a lot of content creators concentrate a lot on the visual part of it. But that's the first and primal mistake that everybody makes, because audio needs to be good. And that on a mobile audio should be completely avoided. I personally use the Sennheiser XS Lav omnidirectional mic for my audio. It's as simple as plug and play. Also, it's available in USB Type-C and 3.5mm jacks, which trust me is compatible with any mobile phone. If you want to kind of understand the difference between two sound qualities or audio qualities, this what I'm speaking, ladies and gentlemen, is the mobile quality. And this what I'm speaking, ladies and gentlemen, is a Sennheiser quality. I leave it for you to gauge and judge. Now let's get back to the third component, and that is cooking the curd mix and coconut paste together. For that, the first thing that goes in a hot pan is the curd mix. And to this, I'm going to add in the coconut paste. Let's stir this quickly before the curd starts splitting. Allow this to boil on medium flame for at least a minute. Let's add in salt as required and give this a quick mix. And with this, off goes the flame. The second question he asked was, how do we record from home? To which I answered, well, as the pandemic set in, we all had to adapt and change our shooting style. For that matter, even adapt to our working style and match it to the professional quality, almost studio-like. And this is the time when I started looking for professional alternatives, of course, which are budget-friendly. I did some research and found out that the Sennheiser XS Lav is portable and has accessories like the mic clip, windscreen, and a storage pouch. It is versatile in a quiet environment as well as outside, as it is an omnidirectional microphone capsule which provides clear, natural sound. The best part is it can be used for making podcasts, videos, or voiceover recordings, which generally require a simple yet high-quality setup. So think about it while I move on to the next component, and that is making the tempering. Let's begin with coconut oil. Once the oil heats up, let's add in mustard seeds, immediately followed by fenugreek seeds, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, red chilies, dry, and sliced shallots. Let's transfer this into the Moru curry. One quick stir. And with this, our Moru curry is done and ready. Let's transfer this into a serving bowl. You can eat this with a simple steamed rice, and trust me, it's the most heavenly experience. Content creation and working from home has never been simpler. It's all available at your closest disposal. All you need to do is start and avoid the common mistakes that any starter would make while recording audio. On that note, happy cooking, content creation, and working from home to all you guys. Bye for now.